Hello everyone, this is Lee with Narhi Auctions. Here we have the 2008 Kenworth T660 Aerocab flat top. It's got a C15 Caterpillar twin turbo engine. It's got 1,089,571 miles in the odometer. It's got a dual line wet kit. Had an in-frame engine overhaul at 962,177 miles. Has a recent fresh transmission. Was DOT'd in 2022. Overall in very good condition. Do you want to start that up for us? Does have a cracked fiberglass fender on the other side. It's got a full stand-up sleeper with storage. Aluminum mod wheels. Good rubber, air ride, live tandems. Aluminum fuel tanks. Engine heater. Lots of rubber on this. A little slippery out here. And they drove it up here. All right, there you have it.